Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting essentials in place. Power on the router and confirm it's broadcasting the expected SSID. Once done, note the exact network name and password and check whether the router uses 4 GHz or 5 GHz because range and compatibility differ. Make sure your device Wi-Fi is enabled and that any VPN or mobile hotspot is off to prevent routing confusion. With these prerequisites met, you're ready to begin the direct connection steps. You manually add the network in Wi-Fi settings when the scanner isn't available. First, choose Add Network or Manual Connect. Type the SSID exactly, case matters, and pick the correct security, typically WPA2 or WPA3. Paste the password instead of typing to avoid errors, and set any advanced options like static IP only if you know the values. If the SSID is hidden, make sure to enable the option to connect to non-broadcasting networks, then save and attempt the connection. You finish by confirming the device received a valid IP via DHCP, open network details, and ensure it's not a 169.254.x self-assigned address. If it failed, restart the device and router. Simple reboots often resolve conflicts, then retry. Make sure MAC filtering or parental controls aren't blocking the device. Temporarily disable them if needed. If problems persist, reset the device network settings or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.